Hello students, how are you all? I hope you are fine. You are studying also. So now I want to discuss exercise factorization. Yesterday we already discussed theory part as well as example also. So I hope you understood. If any problem, you can ask me also, no problem that one. But before going to start, I am telling one important thing that few students are sending their work and other students they are not sending. That is very bad. You should do your work properly. If any problem, you can ask to me or any other teachers also, no problem that one. Okay, but you should do your work properly. Clear? Okay. So now let's start. See exercise 17a. I hope that exercise question number 1 and question number 2 yesterday discussed little bit. Okay. So now we'll start from question number 3. Okay. Question number 3. See what is the question is telling. 4a square b minus 6ab square plus 8ab. 4a square b minus 6ab square plus 8ab. Okay, I am writing the question. 4a square b 4a square b minus 6ab square plus 8ab. Okay, so at first we find out the HCF of the numerical coefficient. Which one numerical coefficient here? 4, 6 and 8. Okay, what is the numerical coefficient? 4, 6 and 8. So HCF will be 4, 6 and 8. HCF will be what? 2, 4 or 6 or 8, whatever. Which one will come? So 2 will come. Clear or not? Because 4 is divisible by 2, 6 also divisible by 2, 8 also divisible by 2. That means that HCF will come what? 2. Clear? Clear or not? Now see that literal coefficient. Literal coefficients here see a square b, here ab square and here ab. So which one will come? See everywhere in every terms ab is there common ab. So we can write ab. We can write or not? Because here a square, here a, here also a. So you can take a b here b one time, here two times, here one time. So we'll take only one time. Okay. Now give bracket, common part finished. The remaining part will come in the bracket. Clear? So 4 from 4 2 already taken. So 2 will come because 2 to the 4. Clear? Okay. Now see a square from a square a already taken. So only a will come. Understood or not? Okay. Next b already taken here. Okay. Now minus put it here minus sign. Clear? Okay. Now see 6 from 6 2 already taken. So 3 will come. Only 3 will come. Okay. Now a already taken here and here b square means b two times is there, only one time already taken here, the remaining one time will come here. Clear or not? Okay. Next plus sign, put plus sign here. 8 from 8 2 already taken, 2 already taken, so the remaining 4 will come because 2 4 is 8, 2 already taken here, so 4 will come and ab already taken, so that means finished. Close the bracket. So that is the answer. 2ab into 2a minus 3b plus 4. That is the answer. Understood? Clear? Okay. Now question number 4. Question number 4 is telling that you should try also. Okay. You should try, means you should practice it in your copy. And rough question also you will do in your right hand side. That one also you will do. Now question number 4. See question number 4. What is the question is telling? 5x square plus 15x cube minus 20x. Okay, see the question at first. 5x square plus 15x cube minus 20x. Okay, so at first try yourself what to do. At first we will take common from the numerical coefficient. What is the numerical coefficient here? 5, 15 and 20. Okay, so what is the common? AC will be 5. Clear? 5 5 is 5, 5 1 is 5, here 5 3 is 15, and here 5 4 is 20. Okay, and here see the little coefficient, what here x square, here x cube, and here x. So what will come on? What will be the common? Say, so only x will come, because here 2 times, here x 3 times, here 1 time, so 1 time will come. Clear or not? So common part finished. Okay, the remaining part will come in the bracket. So 5 will be taken here, x 2 times was there, but only one time we have taken, so another 1 time will come. Clear? Next plus sign, put plus sign here. Next 15, from 15, 5 will taken, so 3 will come. Okay, 3 will come, and from x cube, x taken, so x square will come. Clear or not? Minus, next minus sign, put minus sign here. Okay, next 5 4 is 20, so 4 will come, and x already taken, so that is the answer. 5x into x plus 3x square minus 4. Clear or not? Clear? Easy now. These problems are very easy, but your concepts should be clear. At first we will take common from the numerical part, means numerical coefficient, after that literal coefficient. Okay, so common part should be finished at first, after that the remaining part will come in the bracket. That is the thing. Okay, this way we will finish all the problems like that. Clear? Okay, next problem you will try at first. Question number 5. Question number 5 you try at first. Okay, question number 5 you try. After that I will do. Okay, just a minute. So you're trying or not? You should try. Okay. Okay, next question. See, what is the next question? What is the next question? Next question is telling, question number 5, 2x cube minus, sorry, 2x cube plus x square, 2x cube plus x square minus 4x, 2x cube plus x square minus 4x. Okay, so see here numerical part, here 2, here nothing, means here 1 is there, and here 4. So common, any common will come. Any common? AC we can take. AC will be what? AC will be only 1, because only 1 is there. 1 is possible. Other any digit is not possible. Because here 2, but here nothing is there. Nothing means only 1 is there. So here AC will be only 1. So 1 no need to write. Okay? No need to write. So now literal part, see, literal x coefficient, x cube here x square, and here x. So we'll take common only x. Only x will be common. Clear or not? Okay. Now give the bracket. So from first terms x common we have taken, the remaining part 2 will come and x square will come. Clear or not? Because x cube was there. From x cube x already taken, so x square will come. Clear or not? Okay, next plus sign. Put plus sign here. Here x square was there. From x square x already taken, so only x will come. Understood? Minus sign. Next 4x. 4x. Okay, from 4x x already taken, minus 4. That is the answer. Easy or not? That's why I told you that at first try yourself. Clear? Clear or not? Next, question number 6. Question number 6. Question number 6 is telling that a cube b minus a square b square minus b cube. A cube b minus a square b square minus b cube. Okay? Okay, try yourself at first. Try yourself. You should try now at first. Okay, easy or not? Easy problems. So next problem, see, a cube b minus a square b square minus b cube. Okay, so we'll take common. Here no numerical coefficient is there. Okay, numerical coefficient means what? Nothing is there, means 1, here also 1, here also 1. Clear? Okay, so we'll take common from the literal coefficient. So here a cube b. A cube, see at first here A cube, here A square, here B cube. Here B cube means A cube is not there in third term. A cube is not there. That means A not possible. Clear or not? Common means we will take from every terms. But here only two terms is there. A is there in two terms, but we should take in every terms. Clear or not? Okay, so A not possible. Now see B. B here one time, here two times, here three times. So only one time will come. Only how many times will come? One time will come. Okay. So after taking common, we are getting what? The remaining portion what here? A cube from first term minus here A square, B square was there. B taken only. So A square will come at first. And B square, B taken means only B will come. Clear or not? Minus from B cube, B taken. So B square will come. Clear? So that is the answer. Understood? Question number 7 say. Question number 7. 28 A square B square C. A square B square C minus 42 A B square C square. Okay. 28 A square B square C minus 42 A B square C square. So that is the answer. Question. Sorry. So what to do? Here numerical coefficient is 28. Here 42. So HCF will be what? Say HCF. HCF will be directly we can do or not? 7 will be the HCF. 7 will be the HCF or 14 will be the HCF. Say 7 4 is 28. That one also possible, and 7 6 is 42. That one also possible. But here 7 will come or 14 will come. Here 14 will come. 7 won't take because see 14 2 is 28 and 14 3 is 42. That one also possible. That's why we will take highest common factor. Highest common factor. Not only common factor. Highest common factor. That's why we will take 14. Clear? 7 won't take. Clear or not? And here see A square B square C common, but here see A B square C square common. That means here A square and here A. So A will be common. A will be common. Here B square, here B square. So B square same. B square will be common. Clear? Here C one time, here C two times. Means only one time we will take. We will take only one time. Clear? So 14 A B square C common. The remaining part what? 2. 14 2 ja 28. 14 2 ja 28. So A B square C common. So the remaining thing what? Here A one times A will come here. B square taken and C also taken. Clear? C also taken or not? Taken. Minus 14 3 ja 14 3 ja 42. That's why 3 will come. 14 taken, so 3 will come. And here A B square C square was there. A taken, B square also taken, but C square was there. But only you have taken what? C only. So one time C will come. So that means that is the answer. 14 A B square C into 2 A minus 3C. Clear? Clear or not? Okay. That is the question number 7. Now see question number 8. Question number 8. Question number 8. At first read the question. At first read the question, everyone. At first read the question. What is the question? 15x square y 15x square y minus 6xy square plus 9y square. 15x square y minus 6xy square plus 9y square. This one you do at first. At first you try. You should try it. You should try. Okay. Huh? What to do? Do At first take common from that numerical coefficient. Here 15, here 6, here 9. So HCF will be what? 3, because 3 5 is 15, 3 2 is 6 and 3 3 is 9. That's why. And little coefficient, here x square y, here x y square. But here no x. That means x won't take. Not possible. Clear or not? Y see in first time y one time, here two times, and here also two times. So one time will take common. Only one time. Clear or not? Okay, so after common we'll get what? 3 5 to 15, so here 5, here x square. The remaining things will come now. Okay, and y taken common, minus. From 6 3 taken, so 2 will come. Okay, and x one time will come. Y was there two times, only one time taken, so only one y type, one time will come y. Okay, next plus sign, 3 3 is 9, so put it here 3, and from y square y taken, so only y will come. Clear or not? Clear? So that is question number 8. Very easy or not? Very hard? No, very easy. But you should do it. Yes, you have to do. Clear? Next see, next problem see. Question number 9. Question number 9. What is the question is telling? What is the question is telling? Say. Question number 9 is telling 10 x square y. Question number 9. I'm writing here up 10 x square y, 10 x square y plus 15 x y square, 15 x y square minus 25 x square y square. That is the question. Okay, at first you try it. You try it this one. Okay, you try it. So see, what is the common? What is the common part? So here 10, here 15, here 25. So 5 will come. Clear or not? 5 will be common. Okay, here x square y, here x y square, and here x square y square. So x will take common because here x two times, here one time, here two times. So only one time will come. Y is here one time, here two times, here two times. So only one time will come. Understood or not? Okay, next bracket. So 5 to the 10. Remaining part will come now in the bracket. So 2. Okay, x two time was there, only one time taken. So only one time will come. Okay, and y already taken, plus from 15, 5 3 is 15, 3. Okay, 5 3 is 15, 3, and here x only one time taken, and y square was there, so only one time taken, only y will come, one time y will come. Okay, minus 25, from 25 taken, so 5 will come, 5 will come. Okay, okay, next x square y square, x square x y square, x one time taken, y also one time taken, so only one time x will come, one time y will come. Clear or not? So 5xy into 2x plus 3y minus 5xy. That is the answer. Question number 9. Clear? Okay. Now see question number 10. You are doing or not? You should try it. Okay. At first you try. After that you see the solution. Clear? Okay. Now see question number 10. 18 x square y minus 24 xyz. 18 x square y minus 24 xyz. Here 18, here 24. So what will the common say? 6 or not? 6, because 6 is 18 and 6 4 is 24. Okay, so after 6, the from literal coefficient, what will come? Say here x square was there, and here only x is there one time, so only x will come one time. Y here one time, here also one time, only one time will come. Z is there in the second term, in not in first term, so not possible. So after that we'll take the remaining part. Okay, so here 6, that means here will be 3, because 6 to is 18. x 2 times was there, only one time taken, so only one time will come. Clear? Okay. Minus 6 4 is 24, so 4. Okay. Okay. Next, see, x one time taken, y also one time taken, but z not taken, that one. Put it here z. That's finished. Clear? Question number 10 finished. Okay. Now, question number 11. Question number 11 is telling that 27 a cube b cube minus 45 minus 45 a to the power 4 b square, a to the power 4 b square. Okay. So see, from 27 and 45 we'll take common. What will be the common? 9 3 is 27 and here 9 5 is 45, means 9 we can take 9, so 9, put it here 9. Okay, here a cube and here a to the power 4, so a cube will come, that is the common. Here b cube, but here b square, so what will be the common? B square. Clear or not? Okay. Okay, so after this common we are getting what? 9 3 is 27, means 3. Okay, a cube already taken and b square taken, but here was there what? B cube, so only b will come. Clear? Next, minus sign. From 45 9 taken, so 5 will come. 5 will come. From a to the power 4 a cube taken, so only a will come, and b square taken, so that means 9 a cube b square into 3b minus 5. That is the answer. Question number 10. Clear? Question number 11. Okay. Question number 11. At first try yourself, everyone. This one you do. Okay. I'm just erasing that one. You are doing or not? You do it. You are doing, everyone. Answer got or not? Answer got it? Say what is the answer say? What is the answer say? This type of problems I hope you can do by yourself also. Clear? Okay. But you should practice it. Whatever we are doing, you should practice it, because without practice not possible anything. Clear? So you should practice more as much as possible. Clear? And after practicing you should show me. After practicing you should show me. Clear or not? Okay. Okay, now see, 11 I am doing. 27 a cube b cube minus 45. I hope this one did or not. 27, this one, that one complete I think. So exercise 12 no, oh, sorry, exercise 12. Exercise 12. What is the question say? 4 into 11. 11 finished. 12. We are doing 12. So 4 into, see the question, 4 into a plus b minus 6 into a plus b whole square. This is the question. 4 into a plus b minus 6 into a plus b whole square. So see here, what will be the common? What will be the common? Say 4, from 4 and here 6. So 2 will come. Clear or not? 2 will come. Clear? Okay. and a plus c, the c in the bracket in the first term, no, bracket a plus b, that one also will be common. Okay, so put it here, a plus b. Okay, so after common we are getting what? So from 4, 2 taken now, so 2 will come here. Clear or not? 2 clear or not? Clear. Next, a plus b also taken, so only 2 will come here. Minus, minus 2 3 is 6, here 3, the remaining 3 will come here. Okay, a plus b whole square was there, a plus b already taken common, so only a plus b will come one time, because 2 times was there, one time already taken here. Okay, and the remaining one time will come here. Clear. So that is the answer. That means we can write this one clearly: 2 into a plus b into 2 minus 3 into a 3a minus 3b. That is the answer. Okay, clear or not? Clear. Okay, now see question number 13. Question number 13. What is the question number 13 is telling? Question number 13 is telling 2a into 3x plus 5y minus 5b into 3x plus 5y. Okay, this one try yourself at first. Everyone try. Okay, try yourself. Here see 2 numerical coefficient 2, here 5. That common possible or not? You cannot take any ACF. That means the ACF will be what? Common what? 1 only. Clear or not? So that one won't take. 1 won't take. But the remaining another thing, here A in the first term, here A, but here B, not possible. But see, the in bracket the 3x plus 5y is there, here also 3x plus 5y is there. So that means 3x plus 5y, that one we can take. Okay. So after common, the remaining part will come what? Here 2a minus 5b. 2a minus 5b. That is the answer of it. Clear? Easy or not? Okay, 13 finished. Now to 14. Easy problems. You do at first. Try yourself at first. 14. 14c. 14c. 14 is what? Here is telling that 14. Question number 14. 2x into p square plus q square plus 4y into p square plus q square. So any common is there? Yes, common is there. What is the common say? What is the common? 2 common. 2 common. Here 2 common or not? This 2 common and here 4 common. So we'll take what? 2 common. Okay. And here see x common, x here in the first term, y here in the second term. Not possible. But p square q square in the bracket, p square q square here is what? Was also here. And in the second term also p square q square was there. That means p square q square, that one will be the common. P square plus q square. Okay. So after common, what will come? Only in first term x left. Only first term, which one left? This x left, and here only y left. So that means x plus y. X plus y. Clear or not? Clear? I hope you understood. Okay. Now question number 15. At first try yourself. Everyone try yourself. Okay. Okay. At first do. I am just a little bit erasing this one. So up to 13 clear. I hope you understand these problems. Okay, you should practice it and show me. Clear? Again and again I am telling. And those who are not doing, be serious everyone. Those who are doing, few students I know that one they are doing and they are sending also. But the maximum students I know that I won't say their name, but they are not doing. That is good for you or bad for you. You should think it. Okay, okay. You should think, and that time I am discussing this one. Okay, the remaining problems. Okay. Now exercise 14. My question number 14 or 14 finish. 14 finish. No, 15. See, 15. What is the question is telling? 8 into 15. 8 into 3a minus 2b the whole square minus 10 into 3a minus 2b. Okay. So what is the common say? From numerical coefficient 8 and 10, 2 will be the common. Clear? 2 will be the common. Means I say 2. And here 3a minus 2b whole square means 3a minus 2b 2 times was there. And here 3a minus 2b 1 time is there. So we'll take common what? How many times? Only one time. Only one time. So 3a minus 2b common, take it. Okay. So here, so the remaining part will come in the bracket. So write it here. So 2 taken from 8. So 4 will come here. 4, put it here 4. Okay. Here put the second bracket. And here 3a minus 2b only one time taken, so another only one time will come 3a minus 2b. Okay, minus next minus and minus, put it here minus. From 10 2 taken, so 5 is there. Okay, and 3 minus 2 already taken, so only 5 will come. That means if we simplify this one, so what will come? 2 into 3a minus 2b. Okay, and this one what? 4 into 3a means 12a minus 8b minus 5. Clear? That is 15. Understood? Easy. Just at first take the common portion. After that what? The remaining portion will come in the bracket, and that portion only will do the simplify little bit. Okay. Now 16c. What will be the common? 16. 16c. What is the question? Question number 16. X into x plus y whole cube minus 3x square y into x plus y. X into x plus y whole cube minus 3x square y into x plus y. Okay. So from there we can understand what is the common. Say x common, because x is there here also x, and here also here x square. That means x will be the common. X will be the common. I am writing here x. Okay, and x plus y whole cube here 3 times x plus y. Here 1 time x plus y. So we will take common x plus y. Any other things common? No common. Numerical part not possible because 1 is there in the first term and here 3. So that's why I won't take. Okay. So the remaining part what? The remaining part x taken. So x plus y whole square will come. Why x plus y whole square? Because x plus y is the 3 times. X plus y here taken only 1 time. So 2 times will come here. Okay. Minus 3 will come. Okay. From x square x taken. So only 1 time x will come. And y 1 time. Okay. So this one will come. Only this will come. X plus y already taken. So that's why this one won't take. Clear? That's one. That one we won't take. That means answer will come what? What will the answer? After that we will do the simplification, little bit simplification. So x into x plus y. See this one x plus y whole square. No, x plus y whole square one formula is there. A plus b whole square formula. A plus b whole square formula. What is the square? A plus b whole square formula? A square plus 2ab plus b square. That's why we can write it here. X square plus 2xy plus y square. Clear or not? Clear? Minus 3xy minus 3xy. Okay. So x into x plus y. Okay. X into x plus y into here x square plus 2xy minus 3xy. So minus xy will come because here minus is bigger, no? Minus 3xy here plus 2xy. So minus xy plus y square. Yes. This is the answer. X into x plus y into x minus xy plus y square. Clear or not? Understood? Try to understand. Clear? So 17, 18, 19 and 24 questions left. You can do it this one. Huh? This one you can do it or not? You can try yourself or I will explain it. at first. So from 17 to 20, that is your homework. You will try it, otherwise I will explain later. At first you should try the same way, same process, same thing. At first you will take common, after the remaining part will come in the bracket, next part, next, and that in the bracket, that part will be the simplification. So that's why that way we will do it. At first you try, or otherwise I will explain it again. Okay, so I hope you understood. But one important thing, that you should do it, you should practice it two times, 3 times, 4 times, as much as possible you should practice it. Clear? And few students are sending and few students are not sending. That is good or not? You say that is good, that is very bad. So that's why please everyone do it and practice it properly. If any problem, you can ask me through WhatsApp, through message, or through phone call also. You can ask me, no problem that one. Clear? That's all. Take care. Have a nice day. Good day.